Hi, I'm Evan with Touchstone Home Products, and today I'm going to go over some of the features of the Adonzo and the Adonzo Unfinished TV lift cabinets. The Adonzo is one of our full-size cabinets that features a timeless traditional design and is finished in a distressed cherry stain. The Adonzo can fit most 60-inch flat-screen TVs. The cabinet's overall dimensions are 59 inches wide by 41.5 inches high by 24 inches deep. The Adonzo features two center opening doors with adjustable shelving so you can fit a collection of DVDs, remotes, or games. The Adonzo has also been enhanced with a front-facing drop-down media shelf designed to hold a soundbar, center channel speakers, or compact media components. The Adonzo is also available in unfinished so you can match the exact decor of your room. We can also custom finish it in either a dark ebony black, vibrant crystal white, or a neutral Hearthstone gray. With classic design and soundbar functionality, the Adonzo is the centerpiece you need to complete your living space. The Adonzo comes standard with our WhisperLift 2 Pro. The WhisperLift 2 Pro will lift your TV in less than 30 seconds, while also coming standard with features like the ability to set a memory height, allowing your TV to return to the same height every time, a universal IR remote pairing, and 12-volt trigger capability. Additionally, you have the option to purchase the Adonzo with Touchstone's WhisperLift 2 Pro Swivel TV Lift, which allows you to turn your TV in the direction of your choosing. The WhisperLift 2 Pro Swivel features a safety mechanism that will not allow your TV to lower unless the TV is returned into its home position. Thank you for watching, and as always, please contact us at 1-800-215-1990 and check us out at our website at touchstonehomeproducts.com.
Hi Kickstarter, my name is Mike, the founder of Bookniture. Thanks for checking us out. I've spent a lot of time developing Bookniture and I'm excited to bring this product to the market. That's why I need your support to meet the requirements for mass production. Please join and support our campaign. Thank you.